How you folks are doing? Let's talk about Tesla real quick. I know there's a lot of information here, but let's start from the beginning, right? Where we are now. Well, you can see we have a lower trend channel, right? Touch the top, touch the bottom, didn't even touch the top, new low, touch the top. Why we didn't touch this bottom here? And the reason is very simple. I could clean a little here for you guys, but let's talk about what's important to see. First things first, RSI. We can see there's plenty of space for growth for Tesla. As far as overbought, it's not overbought at all on a monthly. On a weekly, it's still okay. And on a daily, it's a little overbought, but there's plenty of space for growth. See, into 89 will be something normal for Tesla. We are 58. But on the long term, we have plenty of space to grow. I'm gonna clean these. So this is the low trend line. I just want to show you guys how it's trending here. We can even open a little more like that. Oh, meaning we'll never go here? No, $21. I doubt that, but so I'm gonna delete these. This is the Bonjo bands. It has follow, as you can see. Every time we touch the yellow, it goes up, 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 above the white, and then the white becomes a resistance. That'll be the upper Bonjo bands. Resistance, resistance, then send it down all the way to touch the yellow again. Then goes up, touch the middle one, the mid Bollinger Bands, and then it fell below, then this becomes a new resistance. I'm also gonna delete these. It's important, yes. On Weibo, I actually love these for charts. You can just remove the Bollinger Bands, and what I did here, I know it's too much lines, but this is resistance. What's next? What to expect? Okay, so Tesla also has a bigger. I'm gonna delete this channel because we lost it, so really doesn't matter anymore. As long as we know that it's a future resistance. I'm gonna put this line here just for us to remember. Okay, this one's gone. Now things start to get a little more clear, right? Okay, much more clear. So we already cover RSI. This is the strength index for purchase and selling. Every time you can see Tesla at 91, it's strongly sell. At 70, it's strongly sell. So every time we hit those points, it's a sell area, and every time we hit this area here, it's a purchase area. And guess where we are now? You can see for yourself. So what I think, this is my humble opinion, I'm not a licensed advisor, or I'm not saying you should buy or not. This is only my humble opinion. So this is what I'm gonna tell you now. We are in a high trend channel. We did touch the perfectly. We touched the support. Every time we touch the support, historically we went up. So we went from $42 to 400, 10 times. And every time we top the upper piece of the support, trying to break, of course it's not gonna break, and then we went down. And then we touched the support again, went up, resistance, went down, support. What I think is gonna happen is very simple. We are in okay support. I would say this is a good support on a monthly chart. Okay, we break it. Now the shares are resting, right? Um, it could go up all the way to $400 again. So what's next? Write down those numbers. So first resistance 235. I'm talking about strong resistance. There's also this mid one here. Like I said, on a long term, this is nothing, so I wouldn't consider this one as much, but it's still a resistance, okay? Write those numbers. 207, 207, then little down here, just to make sure. Okay, 202, then 235, then 261. Then there's a huge gap here, guys. Huge space for growth. Let's put it here to be safe, right? What matters is where the candle closed, not the overbought or over fake break. Then we have 358, 414, that the highest high, and then if we break here, I would say right here, this top line, also resistance, and then there's nothing else. So up, down, and then I see at least a push up here. There's gonna be a big resistance here, guys, okay? Let's put it, there's gonna be a monster here. For us to break this, we'll have to be in the aftermarket on a pre-market, because on a regular day, shorts will trying to work hard not to let us hit here. What I feel like, if you look at the chart, is very clear. You know, we have a high trend channel, so we are in a high trend channel, but of course, let's not ignore, and I'm not saying you should buy or sell these, let's not ignore this channel. So we are coming from above, we find a support, we're trying to break, couldn't find a support. If we break this, there's a big run for Tesla to come, and I think it's wise to have a mixed portfolio. Always protect, especially if you have a lot of shares, always protect with sell a call or a put, or sell a covered call on those areas where you know there's a huge potential for correction, or don't do nothing, just buy for a long term. This is what I have for Tesla. Eventually, you know, they just, Elon Musk is always on the media. He every time it touched this support here, we can see the stock went up historically. So touch here went up. So I think we're gonna see at least something around here. This could take a year, guys. Every candle here is a month. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 months went down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 months down. So 8 months up, 10 months down. So this could take a year, but that's the goal. Touch this green top of the resistance, the high trend channel. Like and subscribe so we can keep doing those. A lot of work, and this is only my humble opinion, of course. Do your own due diligence, and good luck for all. May God bless you guys. Thank you.